Just a week ago, we had covered a Google AI coder that not many have heard about called the Google AI Studio AI Builder, where you can rapidly build apps using Gemini models completely for free, and the output was truly insane. For example, this is a media sim app that was fully generated with the top tier Gemini models, where you can simulate generative media with the latest VO3 fast model and the Gen Media model. And alongside that, Google also dropped something completely for free, their brand new image generation model called Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, also known as Nano Banana. This is Google's state-of-the-art image generation model as well as their editing model, and it's available right now through the Gemini API as well as the Google AI Studio. In terms of its benchmark scores, like image editing, it actually stacks up really well up against different models like OpenAI, Flux, and many others. In general, it is something that does exceptional. It can keep consistency. It does exceptionally well with image editing as well as prompt-based image generation. It is something that you can actually use within the studio as well as within the AI app builder. But one surprisingly strong area where this model really shines is UI generation. And this is where it can step up as a true AI design agent. It can take in UI sketches or wireframes and turn them into polished UI components, and then seamlessly can hand them off to the Gemini App Builder, which can actually develop the full app based off the generated UI design. For example, you see that I have uploaded this wireframe of a website, and I can use the Nano Banana model to help me enhance the UI component that I can hand off to the app builder. So I can simply have it process this wireframe and then have it build the UI component of it based off the theme I want, like having it dark themed. And you can see that it has done a great job in developing the UI component of this wireframe that was provided. I can then download this new UI component that was generated. I can then head over to the build section within the Google AI Studio. And then I can attach that UI component that was designed by the Nano Banana model. And I can say, here is the landing page design, and I want you to replicate it for a website. Build out the website for me, and I can send in this prompt, and it'll work on generating the components live in action, where you will be able to see the code written for the app that is generated based off the design that was generated with the Nano Banana model. And there we go. You can see that it has now designed the full on website for me based off of that design that was given. And it looks like it did a great job in developing all the components for it while also keeping the same relevancy of the picture. This is the capability of the Gemini AI Studio, which is why I believe it is really underrated, because all of this of whatever I had accomplished was done completely for free with the Gemini models. And you can easily prototype UI designs quite rapidly within the studio. Ever wondered if your AI is actually understanding your user or just guessing? Well, allow me to introduce Opik, the open source platform that lets you log every conversation thread your AI has with users. Every message, every response, all grouped under a single thread ID. So you can see the full conversation in one single place. With Opik, tracking threads is simple. Use the @opik.track decorator or manually update your thread ID and instantly review full chat sessions in the threads tab. Rate responses, leave annotations, or mark threads as resolved. It's all there, neatly organized for developers and teams alike. But here's where it gets next level. Opik lets you run automated thread evaluations using large language models as a judge. You can detect hallucinations, check for relevance, or evaluate conversation coherence. Just set your evaluation rules in the UI, choose a model, a prompt, a scoring metric, and Opik will score threads automatically after they go inactive. Track trends, monitor performance, and catch issues before they reach your user. Whether you're in development or production, Opik scales with you, ingesting millions of traces per day. You get dashboards, trend tracking, and evaluation metrics all in one platform. Fix issues faster, understand your AI's behavior, and deliver better user experiences. And remember, Opik is open source, so get your project ready and check out the GitHub link in the description below so that you can run it locally, where you can start logging, scoring, and mastering your AI conversation with Opik. And guys, going back to the AI build, I already made a full dedicated video on this, but you can also work with the AI code assistant to implement new features. So if I want to add a client testimonial, it can then add it directly to the website that was generated using the Gemini 2.5 Pro completely for free. Now, in terms of the code, you can see it streamed live in terms of its generation. And if you would want, you can go ahead and you can install or download the app locally. You can even deploy it directly with the Gemini AI Studio. You can even publish it to GitHub. And there we go. It looks like it has added the testimonials that we had requested. But let me show you another example. Say if I want to design a clean modern CRM dashboard, I can simply describe in natural language what I want with my UI, and it will actually develop a design for me with the Nano Banana model. And this is a pretty exceptional model in terms of processing different textual prompts and generating UI components based off of it. And you can see that it did a pretty decent job in following all the features that I had described to be generated. Something like a left sidebar with icons of the dashboard, context, deals, analytics, and settings, which it did generate on this panel over here. It also had focused on a deals pipeline visualization, like a Kanban style column. And it did do that with this deals pipeline over here. And in terms of the other features that I described within my prompt, it was able to portray it within this design. Now, what I can do is save this image as well, or you can just simply go ahead and download it. And now we can go back into the build and tell it to process this CRM dashboard UI. Now I can go into the build AI section and I can tell it to actually build the CRM dashboard based off the UI design that I had provided. And I'm also requesting it to add all the features again. And you want to be as descriptive as possible. Now, what we can do is just simply go ahead and run it, and it's going to deploy the Gemini 2.5 Pro and generate all of these features for me. And there we go. Within the preview section, we have our authentication that we had requested. It's a dummy auth, so we can go ahead and click sign in. And this will take us to the CRM dashboard. As retained the deals pipeline with the Kanban board design that we had requested, it has listed out all the different icons that we also wanted to be generated, like the context, analytics, and the settings. And within the main dashboard, it did retain the same design that was generated with the Nano Banana. So overall, all of this was fully generated with the free models that Gemini provides, which is just insane. If you like this video and would love to support the channel, you can consider donating to my channel through the super thanks option below. Or you can consider joining our private Discord, where you can access multiple subscriptions to different AI tools for free on a monthly basis, plus daily AI news and exclusive content, plus a lot more. Overall, if you do not know what the app builder is and what this Nano Banana model is capable of doing, I really recommend that you take a look at the Google AI Studio today and try it out, because this is a revolutionary model that can easily help you in terms of UI designing, as well as help you build apps completely for free with state-of-the-art models like Gemini 2.5 Pro. But with that thought, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video and got some sort of value out of it. I'll leave all these links in the description below. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the second channel if you haven't already. I'm posting daily over here with my team, so make sure you go ahead and take a look at this. Join the newsletter if you haven't already. Join our private Discord. Follow me on Twitter. And lastly, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and please take a look at our previous videos, because there is a lot of content that you'll truly benefit from. But with that thought, guys, have an amazing day. Spread positivity, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.